Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add voiceover to our Instagram Reels. Okay, first of all, let's just create an Instagram Reels. And I'm going to swipe right my screen to open my Instagram camera. Then, for example, I'm going to upload a video to my Instagram. Before we create the reel, make sure that you select the reel option right here. And I'm going to upload a video. I'm going to upload this video, guys. And if we want to add a voiceover to this video, we can click on edit video and click on the voiceover option right here. Wait, I'm going to place it right here. Tap on the voiceover and you can record your voice by tapping on this button. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm making this Instagram reel just for an example, okay? Okay, and now my voiceover has been added to this Instagram video. Then we just need to click on done. And you can also edit the voiceover before you use it. You can cut the voiceover like this. If you're not satisfied, you can also delete it by clicking on this discard option. Again, I'm just going to use this voiceover. Then we can click on the next button to continue to the next tab. Then we just need to click on share to share this Instagram reel. Alright guys, and that's how we can add voiceover to our Instagram reels. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.